What's up, guys? Recently received an email stating that my channel has surpassed 500 subscribers. Now it's in change. Haven't really cared to make a video in regards to this, but it occurred to me I have not once ever asked any of you to subscribe to my channel. Not saying it in a bad way, but that's not what I do. I don't pay for views. There's some people that do, and with RC stuff, I don't care about that. I do this stuff really for storage and the time that I released. It's good to look back on. But apparently, my stuff actually helps you guys out. Let's say putting a 4070 CM motor in a Typhon chassis without weakening the A-arm, shaving it down, might not do a lot, but at over 100 miles an hour, I don't want to shave anything down. My point in that, I'll release stuff that I think might be informative to you guys, that might help. That's what I do. There's no secret. I don't care about secrets. I do look young, if you guys were wondering. I'm 20. I turned 21 in 5 days, actually, February 10th. So when I am wrong, because, I'm young, I'm dumb, you get it. But I own up to it if I say something wrong in regards of advice, and there were a couple times in the ARMA chats, and this isn't just RC, but apparently it falls under RC as well. But I'll admit to it, I own up to it, and I'll say, listen, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but not really gonna get distracted on that topic. But it's just, I want to release stuff that hopefully you guys can, understand, get, or learn from my mistake. I've screwed up a bunch. I royally screwed up. Now, it's none of my videos are naysaying or like, oh, told you this and that, and I don't care what he does or this or she does. I'm doing this for fun. I don't care what capacitor you run. Just because you run this capacitor does not mean someone should give any less respect of someone running a different capacitor. Now, I won't get too ballsy on that topic, but what I will. The point of it, I just like to have fun. That's it. That's it. That's the point of it. I don't care. There's been so much family crap and relationship stuff, and most of you guys are older. I'm 20. Your first relationship is the one that you will always remember. I recently just got through one 5 or so months ago. I will not ever forget it. It's something that left a crater in me. But one thing that really does help with that crater is, these guys. That's why I like this hobby. Regardless of what happens, no matter how bad the situation is, you could always make it better by finding your happy place. And that's, that's what I do. I couldn't be more thankful. There's a bunch of guys my age. Are you kidding me? That besides not knowing how to build one of these, buying it, there's not a lot of people that can do this. Yeah, my age. But I earned every single one of them, and I'm proud to say it. But I'm not going to get distracted off the original topic. I do thank all of you in regards of liking my content, liking what I do. I try to be different every single day. I mean, I built a jet car, and it will be better. We have the Evo 2020 coming out eventually. But it's just all this stuff I do as a pillow, and you guys just make it enjoyable. I've met a bunch of you in person, which was really, really nice. It's really fun to run with a bunch of you guys. It's not just speed runs, also flying, bashing, even just talking. I have a bunch of you guys' phone numbers, and we talk back and forth. And there's a lot more stuff that I want to do, not just, RC this, RC that, but, I have a really nice bow. It's not the best out there. But I mean, with my GoPro, I bought more mounts, and I really want to release more, not release, I just want to do more stuff that I like, that I have an interest in, you know, not just RC. But it's really all something that I just want to bring to your attention, that yeah, I actually do kind of appreciate it. And there's guys, you know, with 1 million subscribers, and that's nice. I really don't care. I bet I'm having fun because they're trying to make money and it becomes more of a job. You know, I'm having fun. That's my point of it. So I do appreciate you guys watching. If you actually listened up to this far, um, yeah, that'll be it. Happy almost Valentine's Day. You know, I'm a February birthday, so of course I know that. Certainly, if you have any other questions, you know, I have no secrets. If you guys do actually need help in regards of any of it, I've said it once and I'll say it again. You know, if just text me on Facebook. I really don't care at the time, this and that. You know, it's just being a good person. I guess. You know, I guess I'm a good person. Yeah, I'll let you guys go. Certainly have a good one and have a good day.